so what are we doing today?
Opening this. Baby Yoda.
Ooh, Baby Yoda. So today's New Year's Eve, and he wanted to show you something that he got for Christmas.
Baby Yoda. It actually makes sounds.
You like it? Okay.
This hat keeps falling.
I think your head's not big enough.
Just leave it. So how do we open this?
Let's take the tape off, maybe.
Actually, I like this one because it makes with that.
So you can say Happy New Year. What are we saying this New Year instead of Happy New Year?
Jumanji.
That's what we're saying at New Year's countdown. Or we can say Expecto Patronum.
You got a time one. You got time.
Oh yeah, yours has a clock too.
Oh,
That's the countdown.
why?
Because people count down the New Year. Oh.
And it also comes with something else. See?
Oh, is that hold the frog?
On the back. Oh my god.
A frog and bowl.
Frog and bowl. Ah. I get it. So you have to put the water in the bowl.
I think you can put water in there.
So what's that for?
I think you could just set the frog on it like if he's eating it from a bowl.
Here's some instructions. I found some instructions.
Where does it show?
So you put the frog in his hand. See?
They're free. There's the bowl.
Wait a second. Instructions. I need the instructions.
Oh, frog.
I think you need batteries for this. See?
Has batteries.
What's this for?
That's just to put the frog inside. Oh, he's like an alien one. That's on backwards. Silly. There you go.
That's why I kept falling.
Maybe.
We're gonna squeeze it.
I think your head's just tiny.
See? I'm gonna put this in his hand. That make something.
Now it's like he could eat it.
It has nothing.
I think Grogu wants a nap.
Wait a minute.
He's soft.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I think you made him sad. We squeezed his head. Uh-oh. There he goes. You're gonna scare the baby. What do you think of the toy?
I like it. I like the noise that he makes, and it also comes in his mouth.
Do you think there's something that could be different about this toy?
I like he eat it.
Oh, you wish his mouth would open? Yeah, his mouth doesn't open, but he's super cute. He's not very heavy either.
Yeah.
So you can carry him around.
Wait. What's this supposed to be here?
That is so you can get to his battery pack.
Let's see his battery pack.
This little sound for him, so you would open it up and change his batteries. Okay, so this goes inside his bag. So to change his batteries, you would take that out. But his batteries still work. Does he hold this frog?
He'll hold the frog. He'll hold the frog.
And then just
I'll give this a thumbs up.
you give this toy a thumbs up? So Nathan thinks that if you like Star Wars, you should go get Grogu, also known as Baby Yoda. You can play with him at home too. There we go. Can he stand up with his frog? So in our house, our tradition is we eat 12 grapes to hopefully bring in good luck for the following year. So put your glass down. It's not New Year's yet. You gotta eat your 12 grapes. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Jumanji!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Love you, baby.
I love you. I hope you like my toy review. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. Bye!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Thanks for watching!